What's good, YouTube? It's your girl RG3 and I'm back once again with a real quick video. Today's video is 3 quick tips on how to use Jamaican black castor oil, how and the best ways to use it. Let's get right into it. Straight to it. Now, Jamaican black castor oil, I know you've seen it in several forms by different brands. Sunny Isle. You've seen Jamaican black castor oil with different other oils accompanying them, like carrier oils. You've seen it and see different carrier oils, tea tree. So overall, you want, this is my opinion, this brand is one of the best. Jamaican black castor oil can be pricey. So these bottles are $6.50. They last really long. The best ways to use Jamaican black castor oil is for before a wash, combing through your hair. The oil is really thick. I first want to emphasize that the oil is extremely thick. Okay, that is a turn off for a lot of people because thick oil is hard to work with in your hair, which is a reason why you should use it before a wash. You setting up your hair, oiling your hair with it, combing it through. You comb it through to add moisture and shine and protect the hair before you wash it. You'll get a darker finish on your wash when you use it. Yeah! As far as using it before you wash, I prefer to use a clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoos are basically clay-based shampoos or a shampoo that specifies clarifying. Strips the toxins out your hair. It really strips the strands of everything. It's like a fresh start. My favorite, which is no longer for sale, this is a limited bar, my Fluffy Puffs. I've washed with it. It's a clay-based bar. Actually, sorry, this one is the charcoal bar. Charcoal and clay are really good clarifying shampoos. So if you wash and style with a clarifying shampoo, Care has a hydrating, detangling, clarifying shampoo that is really good. And basically, you would use those, put your black castor oil in, comb it through, jump into your clarifying wash session, and then wash it out, wash everything out, and bam. Second way you can use it is the notorious plastic bag. Shout out to my teammate Haishan. Haishan loves castor oil with the plastic bag. What he would do is he would drop about 2-3 drops of castor oil on the plastic bag, and he just run it through, plastic bag it through. Because it's so thick, you want to smooth it through the hair. He likes the plastic bag it through. And it's best, if you're using a plastic bag with the black castor oil, it's best to do it after a wash and style, or after you've brushed your hair dry, after a wash, and then use a plastic bag the oil through. Also, a good bonus tip after that would be to use a wet do-rag after you use black castor oil, seal in the moisture. The third is a soft brush. A soft brush. People, any oil is good with a soft brush, any oil. But Jamaican black castor oil, like I said, is so thick. It's so thick. You really have to take your time and get a good, nice, smooth brush session in. If you're brushing it in, I would suggest you use very small amounts, build up to using, figuring out how much you would need each use. So soft brush, I like to put my drops in the brush, 1, 2, 3 drops in the brush, and then I'll do my brush session all the way around until I brush the oil in. It's really thick, so take your time. It's hard to get down into the scalp, so my favorite way out of all 3 ways is to comb the oil through before a wash. I do have a pre-poo wash method that's gonna drop that features the black castor oil. So check that out when it drops. So to recap, first method, comb the black castor oil through. Like I said, you got different brands. This one has black castor oil and tea tree. Tea tree oil is one of the best oils for your scalp health, period. Relieves itchy scalp, soothes dry skin. You can do scalp massages with. The other Jamaican black castor oil has rosemary. Rosemary is a carrier oil, and it's mostly aromatherapy based, but it's good for your skin and great for the scalp. So these two are my top recommendations: Jamaican black castor oil with tea tree and Jamaican black castor oil with rosemary. I will leave links in the description for cheaper prices through Amazon to purchase. Like I said, Sunny Isle is just in a lot of beauty supply stores, but I really don't. I don't like to pay the same price for something that doesn't have as much ingredients as the other. So for $6.50, you get your bang for your buck with this joint. Second, plastic bag. Plastic bag the oil through. Don't brush it. Plastic bag the oil through. Third, soft brush action. Soft brush, get you a nice 2-3 drops. So right down the middle of the brush. 1-2-3 drops of oil, and get you a good 30-40 minute soft brush session in. That is all, folks. If you have any more questions about Jamaican black castor oil and how to use it, ask in the comments. I will reply. It's your girl, RG3. I'm live from 313.